This is why you keep taking losses trading continuations, and I'm about to fix this with a stupid simple strategy. So you see Asia session in a bullish market, price continues to the upside during London. So you're expecting to buy and follow that trend during the New York session. However, what you don't understand is when the London session has not liquidated anything on the 15-minute time frame during the Asia session, New York is highly likely to come back and take both the London and the Asia session sell-side liquidity. But there's something more. If you go out to the 4-hour time frame and look left before the day has begun and you notice a 4-hour gap, which is price inefficiency, you need to wait for price to head into this gap, then go back to the 15-minute time frame for your entry, where just like expected, London and Asia lows become liquidity. You wait for your bullish 15-minute candle closure. That's your confirmation for entry. And where previously you've become liquidity, now you're in the major move of the day. Here is another example. Price action is bullish on the 15-minute time frame. Asia creates new highs outside of London. So you're expecting continuations to the upside during the New York session. Sounds simple, right? But if you look at London session, it's not taken any liquidity inside the Asia session. So you're assuming, again, price during the New York Open is going to want to come down deeper and take sell-side liquidity below London and even Asia session. But before you decide on an entry, jump out to the 4-hour time frame and have a look at structure. If price has broken a recent structural high and has left inefficiency behind in the form of a gap which has not yet been filled by at least 50%, it makes for a much higher quality position to wait for that gap to be mitigated. You can see the early move of the day induced buyers into the market after taking all of the sell side session liquidity of the day. However, the gap below is not yet mitigated by at least 50%. Price drives straight back in. We wait for our 15-minute confirmation, which is the bullish candle closure. That's our signal to get involved, take profit at the highs of the day. So we have session-based liquidity, but we also have efficient price action on the 4-hour time frame. Implement this and watch your win rate increase dramatically, and save this video